Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Palantir just 8 days ago, to be exact on May the 20th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $134.81. And at this point my main assumption was that this asset was in some kind of consolidation phase in a shape of ascending channel, and usually these channels break to the downside. And I was expecting this movement, but we also had two major levels of resistance and level of support. The level of resistance was this sloping line, and the level of support was the horizontal line at the price point of roughly $125. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of Palantir. And I made my previous video when this asset was at this point, and since I made it, as you can see, this asset went lower exactly as I predicted. It didn't have a substantial movement, and it found a level of support of about $132. And then it had a massive movement to the upside, which brought about 8% to its value, and which broke the levels of resistance at $139 and this sloping line as well. And this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you how important this breakout to the upside is, what news was the catalyst of this breakout, and how you can benefit out of its movements. So, and let's begin with the news. First of all, let me pay attention to the general sentiments related to Palantir stock, and as usual, to find it out, you have to type in Google search bar PLTR stock and switch to new stock folder. And here is the reason of the Palantir's surge. Wait a second, I will show you in details. Why is Palantir Technologies stock soaring today? This article was published just several hours ago. And the reason is quite simple. It is a snowflake impressive first quarter results. And you know that Snowflake is some kind of competitor of Palantir. You can see that Palantir and Snowflake occupy adjacent but different layers of the enterprise AI stack. Snowflake structures and stores the governed data. Palantir's AIP builds the ontology and decision layer that operates on top of it. And definitely, when one company has a very impressive quarterly results, the second company might also benefit out of this movement. Let me show you some details about Snowflake's Q1 results. As you can see, they beaten expectations on revenue and on earnings. They basically crushed their Q1 earnings, and because of these guys, because of this, Palantir has a substantial movement to the upside. How long will it take to confirm the uptrend? In a minute I will explain you, but for now, guys, let's zoom out to a daily time frame and let me show you where we are on a bigger scale. So before we dive deep into all of this, guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, I want to pay attention to the bigger picture, and in the biggest scale, this asset completed 5 waves of this movement from the lowest point of roughly $5.6 to the highest one of more than $220. Well, this asset completed just 1-2 setup on the biggest scale. And for now, guys, we are about to see the trend reversal, and this trend reversal might happen. And again, let me show you this structure first of all. This is the ABC structure, and well, quite interesting, but in my opinion, we are not out of the woods in the long-term perspective, but we are probably at the very beginning of new medium-term uptrend on a slightly smaller scale. And you might wonder what I'm talking about. Let me explain you some details. This ABC to the upside is nothing else but a potential top of the B wave. Wait a second, I will show you like this of this scale. And if so, guys, we might see this type of ABC on a bigger scale, which means, guys, as long as these two bottom holds, we might have this, wait a second, I will show you like this. We might have this substantial movement to the upside that potentially will complete this wave. But is it possible that we are already in the uptrend that will break the very top of this stock? Yes, it is possible, and I cannot basically I cannot disprove any theories as long as we didn't crush several crucial points. First of all, in order to confirm this ABC correction to the downside, especially this bottom, first of all, we have to complete this B wave to the upside. And for now, guys, we have first contender of this movement that will be the next 5 waves to the upside. And you know that C wave should have 5 waves in it. And let me delete some tools that I don't need right now. I don't need this tool, and probably this was the bottom of the 5th wave on a smaller scale. So what type of structure we might have? We might have, wait a second, from this bottom we might have, this is our first wave. Second, we have to have 5 wave structure into our 3rd wave, then another retracement and another leg to the upside that will complete this entire ABC. And for now, it is just the first sign of the movement of this 3rd wave, and we have just 1-2 setup on the smallest scale, because, wait a second, I don't need this arrow and this channel as well. Because on a smaller scale, we have to have 5 waves inside our 3rd wave. This is our 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th wave that should complete this top. And let's downgrade this scale to sub-minuet. And for now, guys, yes, as long as this level of support of $139 holds, and as long as we don't have a breakout below this sloping line as the range of support, we are at least in the medium-term uptrend to this top, and in a well, in the more substantial uptrend right here. But at the same time, guys, the discrepancy and the difference, the main difference of the ABC to the downside and the potential beginning of new uptrend that will, wait a second, I will show you this arrow that will be like this. The next breakout above its all-time high. Well, the main discrepancy and the main difference will start somewhere at this level, at this wait a second, at this point in time when this asset right after this asset forms the majority of its B wave and the part of its C wave to the downside. That is why, guys, for now we have very bullish sign. We have a breakout above crucial levels of resistance, and the next points of control will be these several tops. And when this breakout above these levels happens, we might anticipate and we might conclude that yes, we are in this movement to the upside that will hit probably somewhere at 170 or $185 marks. You have to be cautious with your position, but it is a very impressive and very meaningful sign from the technical standpoint. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm